Why should anyone learn to code? What's in it for them? This isn't just a question for aspiring tech gurus or Silicon Valley dreamers. It's a question that holds relevance for everyone in this digital age. Dive into the world of coding, and you're not just diving into a mass of numbers and symbols. No, you're diving into a world of problem-solving, creativity, and immense opportunities. Coding is not merely a skill. It's a language, a tool, an art form that unlocks a universe of possibilities. Imagine being able to create something from nothing, to bring an idea to life, to see it function and work, all with the power of code. It's like having a superpower that enables you to create, innovate, and make a real impact in the world. And that's not all. Coding sharpens the mind. It's a mental workout that hones your problem-solving skills. It teaches you how to think logically, how to dissect complex problems into manageable chunks and tackle them one by one. It's a skill that's not limited to the world of technology. In every aspect of life, be it personal or professional, the ability to problem solve is invaluable. But here's the clincher. In a world that's becoming increasingly digital, coding skills are in high demand. In fact, they're one of the most sought-after skills in the job market today. From tech companies to financial institutions, from healthcare to entertainment, every industry is looking for people who can code. Learning to code isn't just about securing a job, it's about securing your future. So why should anyone learn to code? Well, why wouldn't they? It's a skill that fosters creativity, sharpens problem-solving skills, and opens up a world of job opportunities. It's a skill for the present, and most definitely for the future. Now it's your turn. Step into the world of coding. Unleash your creativity, sharpen your problem-solving skills, and open doors to exciting job opportunities. Don't just be a part of the future, create it. Start learning to code today. Your future self will thank you.